Today we're looking at a report from Headset with a deep dive into the Illinois cannabis market, which was approved for medical use in 2013 and legalized for adult use in 2019. They were the 11th state to legalize recreational cannabis, one of the largest markets in the country. So we're going to analyze detailed data on thousands of products in the Illinois market to determine how it compares to other states. Key areas of focus include sales growth, product category, popularity, pricing, basket size, demographics, and more. All of that coming up.
It's only entertainment.
Welcome back to the Talking Hedge. I'm Josh Kincaid, capital markets analyst and host of your Cannabis Business Podcast. Through the first 6 months of 2023, Illinois captured about $950 million in total cannabis sales. That makes Illinois the third largest cannabis market in the U.S., trailing California and Michigan. Last year, they grew 2.1%. Seems kind of small, but in time, a lot of markets are seeing flat or even shrinking growth, making Illinois one of the only that has positive growth. With total sales growth rate by year, looks like Illinois is flattening out. Typically, we see some double, even triple-digit year growth when the market is up. The sales growth is mostly a result of the market catching up with the pre-existing demand, but after a few years, we're seeing the same thing in every other market, which is just a meltdown of the regulated market. Illinois is following the same playbook. Their sales increased 101% in the first year of legalization before falling to 13% the following year and then 2% now. Maybe adding 55 new retail licenses might help. We'll have to wait and see. Pre-rolls in Illinois, they've been one of the fastest growing category in cannabis, the most underrepresented category in the market, over 4 percentage points off the national average. Flower, however, is slightly overrepresented in Illinois, but concentrates are down 15% over the last year. Seeing more brands in Illinois. In the last 4 years, Illinois has had some steady brand growth. They averaged a year-over-year increase in brands at 28%. However, the rate in which new logos are popping up is slowing. The number of brands are steadily rising in Illinois, among the fewest in any market. There's only 118, making them dead last. With so few brands, it shouldn't be a surprise that sales are highly concentrated within a few brands in Illinois. They've got a whopping 68% coming from the market's top 10 brands. Vertical integration is when the grower and the retailer are all the same, so there's a strong correlation between vertical integration and a market's level of brand consolidation. With vertical integration in Illinois, you're seeing 27% of total sales coming from that model, which is the third highest tract of any state behind Massachusetts and Colorado. Looking at some of the top brands or products by category, you can see that the prices still need to come a little bit down. Pre-rolls are about $7. Those need to be about half that. And concentrates should come down to about 20. Vape pens look decent price. Beverages are okay, should come down a few dollars. Flower needs to come way down in price. Illinois does have the highest cannabis price in the country. Their average item price is 46% higher at almost $34 than the second highest, which is Massachusetts. A lot of these vertical integration companies and small brand collections are attributing to some of the situations where they have control over those pricing. Compare that to where I'm at in Washington, well over 1,000 brands versus just 118 in Illinois. Washington has some of the lowest prices in the country, with average item prices that are 61% less than Illinois. If you look at the average item price in Illinois versus the rest of the country, you can see that prices are falling across the board here, with Illinois currently 89% higher than the rest of the U.S. market. So anybody who's going to be opening up should expect these prices to come way, way down. When you're looking at who's buying out in Illinois, millennials make up 45% of total sales, and then that's higher than the baby boomers and Gen X. And there's a slight skew towards women in the Illinois market as well. For more reports like this, you're going to have to come back to the Talking Hedge. With that, we're going to roll this one up. I'm Josh Kincaid. This is the Talking Hedge. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, or don't, and I'm out. Don't forget to smash that like button on your way out and check out these other videos that we've got.
Thanks for listening to today's show. To check out more great cannabis podcasts, go to podconnects.com. Here's a preview of one of our other shows.
Hi, my name's Kate, and I'm your host of the Pop Moms Podcast. I started the Pop Moms Podcast, because I wanted to end the stigma against using cannabis, specifically with moms, but also anyone who chooses to consume. I strive for a balance of humor and education, along with some pretty rad guests, to help combat social biases that come with consuming cannabis. Kids are hard. Join me for regular podcast episodes packed with parenting hacks, real-life stories, and of course, my favorite cannabis products. The days are long, but the years are short. So roll another J and take a deep breath. Keep blazing and stay amazing.